What's up, guys? It's Travis here. And I want to show you 3 examples of how I sell trees online and how I market these suckers. And this is to benefit small nurseries. This is anybody that just wants to grow your own tree and just make a little bit of extra profit on the side, or just grow your business and do it full time, basically like I do. So I'm gonna just show you 3 ways that I sell just the small bare root trees. I also do the bigger potted trees, but this video is just basically for the small bare root trees. So let me grab one right here and I'm going to show you. I'm about to cover these up, because I got them while they was in dormant. So, and that's actually the best time to sell a tree. So right here is an American persimmon tree. And I'm going to show you right here what that looks like on my Etsy shop. Also, right here is a burning bush. And all these are in dormant right now. And these are all 18 to 24. So I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. And this works with basically any type of tree that you want to sell, or any type of plant that you want to sell. And then lastly is this weeping willow tree. So this is just a baby weeping willow tree, but that's fine because there's plenty of people out there that's looking for these that's just with roots. They're looking for weeping willow trees that's already just been rooted. These are one of the easiest ones to actually get the root too. But that's beside the point. In this video, I am just talking about selling the plants that you already got, or that you're already propagating, or, you know, if you buy them wholesale like I do, it doesn't matter. It's just the business aspect of trying to sell trees and market them to the public. All right. So basically in this video, I'm just talking about Etsy. I do use Facebook Marketplace and I do use eBay, but I would say the best spot to place these is on Etsy. All right. Let me just grab this camera real quick. And this is actually how I keep them in these little pots, in these little containers. I just throw some potting soil around there. I keep 100 or 200 of them in here at a time because I don't keep them for very long. I sell them that fast. Also got bare root trees over here. These are Chinese pistachio trees, and these are good sellers. And I will take these up out of the pot and sell them online, or I got these in pots for people that wants to just come to my house and buy them. And I actually show you that too, what my Facebook Marketplace looks like. I do not pay for advertisement. I know a lot of people do. They run big sales and they pay Facebook for advertisement, or even Etsy. That's an option. You can if you want to do that, but all mine is just SEO basically. So peace, and I'll edit this video and I'll get it back to you guys and show you what it is that I do. All right, peace.